Can you imagine making money just by watching videos? Today, we'll reveal a unique, easy, and profitable method of earning money. We're talking about an app, yes, an app that has you raking in cash automatically just by watching videos. And it's accessible from anywhere in the world. We've put it to the test ourselves and can guarantee it's the real deal. Imagine money flowing into your account while you're doing nothing. Now get ready. You're about to witness firsthand how to make money watching videos. With each video you watch, you cash in $2. Watch 10 videos, and that's a neat $20 in your pocket. Go for 50 and bam, you have $100. What? Worried about withdrawing your earnings? Don't be. You can cash out with just 19 cents. Hi, that's practically awesome. And the best part? It's completely free to join, no hidden conditions. You might be wondering if this incredible opportunity works wherever you are on the globe. The answer is a resounding yes. Do let us know in the comments below where you're joining us from so we can create more videos specially to your needs. And just to reassure you, we've tested this ourselves. It's legitimate and verified. Watch this. Just imagine money flowing into your account while you're doing nothing. No clicking, no surveys, just pure passive income. You can even snooze while the videos play and your phone fills your pockets with money. Show app. How do we get started? First things first, we need to download the app. Now don't worry, this isn't any old app. It's got stellar reviews on the Play Store and Trustpilot. Why? Because it's easy to use, pays out instantly, and offers top-notch support to its users. To get the app, you'll need to click the link we've provided below this video or in the pinned comment. Once you've done that, you're ready for step 2. Open the app and sign up using your Google account. It's as simple as that, and voila, you're in. You'll be greeted by a clean, user-friendly interface that's as cool as it is convenient. It's all designed to make your money-making journey as smooth as possible. Now that we have the app, let's dive into its Autopilot money-making feature. You're about to discover how you can earn cash while you sleep. Intrigued? Stay tuned. This is where the magic happens. This is the Autopilot section. Now you might be wondering, what's so special about it? Well, let me tell you. This is where you earn money by doing absolutely nothing. Yes, you heard that right. Just by watching videos automatically. No need to click or tap here and there. No need to fill out any surveys, just pure passive income. And the best part? The potential earnings are astounding. Here's how it works. Once you're in the Autopilot section, you simply select any video. A pop-up might appear, but don't worry. Just hit the cancel button and close any upcoming ads. And that's it. The video will start playing, and points will automatically start adding to your balance. Remember, it's all on autopilot. You don't have to do anything. The app does all the work for you. You can even snooze away while your phone silently makes you money. It's like having your own personal money-making machine, right in your pocket. Now, let's talk numbers. Imagine watching a full video and earning $2. Watch 10 videos, and that's $20 in your pocket. Watch 50, and bam, you've just made $100, all while sitting back and letting the videos play. And there's no catch, no investment needed. It's completely free to join, and it works wherever you are on the globe. So, whether you're in London, Sydney, New York, or anywhere else, you can start earning right away. It's time to put your phone to work for you. No more endless scrolling through social media or playing mindless games. Turn your screen time into money time. Let your phone earn its keep. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the Autopilot section, select a video, hit cancel on any pop-ups, close the ads, and watch your balance grow. It's as simple as that. Just leave your phone, relax, and watch your balance grow. If you're keen on boosting your earnings, this app has more to offer. Don't limit yourself to just watching videos. There are plenty more ways to rake in the cash. First up, we have the gift box icon. Give it a tap, and you'll be presented with a short ad to watch. It's not much of a chore, really. Think about it. A few seconds of your time and you get rewarded, and the best part? You can repeat this multiple times. The more ads you watch, the more money you make. Next on the list, installing apps. Yes, you heard that right. This app will pay you to install other apps. All you have to do is open them and voila, get paid. It's as simple as that. But remember, make sure you have enough storage space on your device. Now let's talk about surveys. This app values your opinion and is willing to pay for it. Share your thoughts on a variety of topics, complete the survey, and watch your balance increase. It's a win-win situation. You get to voice your opinion and get paid for it. Last, but certainly not least, referrals. Invite your friends to join the app. For each friend who signs up, you earn some cash. And it's not just a one-time thing. You'll earn a commission every time your friend earns on the app. So the more friends you invite, the more passive income you make. We've covered watching videos, watching ads, installing apps, taking surveys, and inviting friends. That's 5 different ways to earn money on this app. And the best part? You can do them all at your convenience. Whether you're on a break, waiting in line, or just chilling at home, you can be making money. With so many ways to earn, your balance will be booming in no time. Now that you've earned some cash, let's get it out of the app and into your pocket. The joy of seeing your hard-earned money materialize in your bank account is incomparable, isn't it? So let's get straight to it. To withdraw your earnings, you'll need to click on the top left corner of your screen. This is where you'll see your balance. It's always a great feeling to watch those numbers go up, isn't it? Now here's where it gets interesting. You have several payout options to choose from. You can withdraw to PayPal, Payeer, and more. To make things even better, the minimum withdrawal is as low as 19 cents if you're using Payeer. If you don't have a Payeer account, don't fret. We'll provide a link for you to create one. If you prefer PayPal, the minimum withdrawal is $1.40. It's a little higher, but still quite reasonable, don't you think? Now, you're probably wondering how long it takes to see your money. Well, the payments are verified and can arrive instantly or within 3 days at most. And to put your mind at ease, we have proof of payment right here. It's as real as it gets, folks. And there you have it, real money in your pocket, all thanks to this amazing app. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. Pounce on this chance to earn simply by watching videos. It's a piece of cake, really. And remember, your journey to online earning doesn't end here. To keep the ball rolling, hit that subscribe button. We've got a treasure trove of money-making tips and tricks to share with you. So, like the video, hit that notification bell for future updates and stay tuned for more ways to make money online.